Hello, everyone. A warm welcome to all music rasikas out there from the Music Village. Presenting before you Birds of Paradise. This is a unique presentation wherein some of the finest talents that we have come up with a series of YouTube music videos based on Hindi songs which are influenced by Western concepts. At the Music Village, though in any class if you would enter, you would find students doing riyaz to various alankars and paltas and various forms of sargams, notations and tans. The idea, however, is not just to limit to Indian music. The idea is to make a base so strong that you are comfortable singing in any genre. Surely, a Western music concept has its own set of challenges. It's not always about sur and tal. It is also about the X factor. It is also about how you bring life to the words that you sing. All this and more have been tried by these students of ours, and we look forward to a great series ahead of us. I am sure all of you will love it. In this video, I present before you the gorgeous Shweta. I hope you like her song. Enjoy.
प्यार की एक कहानी सुनो। एक लड़का था, एक लड़की थी, होती क्या है जवानी सुनो। एक लड़का था, एक लड़की थी, वो भी एक दौर था, वक्त ही यार था जब वो थी अजनबी। दोनों तन्हा से थे पर वो कहते किसी बात जो दिल में थी। प्यार की एक कहानी सुनो। एक लड़का था, एक लड़की थी, होती क्या है जवानी सुनो। एक लड़का था, एक लड़की थी। गुमसुम रहते थे दोनों, फिर भी दिल में कहते थे दोनों।